everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about the red planet Mars. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the sun in our solar system. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars has captivated the human imagination for centuries. In this video, we will delve into the intricate details of Mars, exploring its physical characteristics, exploration history, potential for colonization, and ongoing scientific discoveries that continue to unveil its mysteries. Fact number 1. The reddish appearance of Mars is due to iron oxide, commonly known as rust, present on its surface. This iron oxide gives the planet its distinct coloration, making it easily distinguishable in the night sky. Fact number 2. With an average distance of 142 million miles from the Sun, Mars has a year that is approximately 1.9 Earth years long. Fact number 3. Mars is smaller than Earth with a diameter of approximately 4,220 miles, about 53% the size of our planet. Its smaller size contributes to its lower gravity, which is about 38% of Earth's gravity. Fact number 4. As we told in the previous fact, the gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's gravity, so it means that a person weighing 100 pounds on Earth would only weigh around 38 pounds on Mars. Fact number 5. Mars has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide 95.3% with traces of nitrogen 2.7% and argon 1.6%. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is about 0.6% of Earth's, making it inhospitable for human life as we know it. Fact number 6. The Martian day or sol is only slightly longer than an Earth day, lasting approximately 24 hours and 37 minutes. Additionally, Mars experiences seasons due to its tilted axis similar to Earth, with each season lasting approximately 6 months. Fact number 7. Mars is home to a diverse range of geological features. The surface is adorned with impact craters, volcanic plains, mountains, valleys, and canyons. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, stands at a towering height of 13.6 miles 22 kilometers, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Fact number 8. Mars also boasts the largest known canyon in the solar system called Valles Marineris, which is around 2,500 miles 4,000 kilometers long, up to 120 miles 200 kilometers wide, and reaches depths of up to 6 miles 10 kilometers. Fact number 9. The Martian surface is covered in layer upon layer of sedimentary rock, which provides valuable insights into the planet's geological history. These rocks contain clues about past water activity, including the possibility of ancient rivers, lakes, and even oceans. Fact number 10. One of the most notable features on Mars is its polar ice caps. These ice caps are composed of a mixture of water ice and carbon dioxide ice, dry ice. During the southern hemisphere's winters, the polar ice caps expand, reaching sizes equivalent to the Earth's polar ice caps. Mars' polar ice caps experience seasonal changes, with the ice cap shrinking during the summer and growing during the winter. This cycle is due to the sublimation of carbon dioxide ice, which turns directly from a solid to a gas when heated by the sun. Fact number 11. The Martian atmosphere is thin, but it can still have a significant impact on the planet's surface. Mars's thin atmosphere is responsible for intense dust storms that can engulf the entire planet, lasting for weeks or even months. Fact number 12. The surface temperature on Mars differs significantly from Earth's. While Earth's average surface temperature is around 57 degrees Fahrenheit, 14 degrees Celsius, Mars's average surface temperature is much colder, reaching an average of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 62 degrees Celsius. Fact number 13. Mars' thin atmosphere and lack of a protective magnetic field make it vulnerable to solar radiation. This radiation can reach the surface, posing challenges for future human exploration and colonization efforts. Mars' thin atmosphere and lack of a protective magnetic. Fact number 14. Mars is also home to the second highest volcano in the solar system called Arsia Mons. It is a part of a volcanic chain known as the Tharsis Montes, along with three other large volcanoes, Pavonis Mons, Ascreus Mons, and the aforementioned Olympus Mons. Fact number 15. Mars has a diverse range of impact craters which can vary in size and depth. These craters provide valuable information about the planet's history, including insights into the process of crater formation and the age of different geological features. Fact number 16. Mars is a unique geological feature known as yardangs, which are elongated parallel ridges formed by wind erosion. These yardangs are created when wind erodes softer layers of rocks, leaving behind the more resistant material in the form of ridges. Fact number 17. Mars's proximity to the asteroid belt increases its chances of being impacted by asteroids and meteoroids. The planet's surface bears the scars of numerous impact craters, some of which are large enough to have caused significant destruction in the past. Fact number 18. Recent missions to Mars, such as NASA's Mars Pathfinder Mars exploration rovers Spirit and Opportunity, and the Mars Science Laboratory Curiosity have significantly expanded our knowledge of the planet. These missions have successfully explored the Martian surface, analyzed rocks and soil, and sought signs of past or present life. Fact number 19. The Mars exploration rovers Spirit and Opportunity far exceeded their operational lifetimes. With Opportunity remaining active for more than 14 years, these rovers provided valuable data on the geological history of Mars and the potential for past habitability. Fact number 20. Mars's resources such as water, ice, carbon dioxide, and minerals could be utilized for sustaining human presence on the planet. In situ resource utilization ISRU techniques would allow astronauts to extract and produce necessary resources needed for fuel, oxygen, and water. As exploration and research efforts continue, Mars remains a focal point for astronomers, planetary scientists, and space agencies worldwide. The ongoing missions to Mars are crucial for expanding our understanding of the planet's geology, potential for life, and feasibility for future human exploration and colonization. By unraveling the secrets of Mars, we uncover insights into the formation and evolution of our own planet as well as the potential for life beyond Earth.